Today on Today on Just the Tip, I'm going to share how to use Ashen Thorn's hair oil. There are a couple different ways to use Ashen Thorn's hair oil. The first is as a finishing serum. After you're done styling your hair, put a few drops of the hair oil into your palm, rub your hands together, and then work through your hair to tame flyaways and add a nice finishing shine. The second way to use this oil is as a hair treatment. It promotes growth, is good for scalp health, and helps encourage stronger hair. You'll want to massage 2 to 5 dropperfuls into your scalp and work down through the ends of your hair. Let me show you. Once you've worked it into your scalp and hair, you'll want to leave the oil for a minimum of 20 minutes. I like to do the treatment right before bed, braiding my hair and putting a towel over my pillow, leaving it there all night and washing it out the next morning. I should also mention that this works great as a beard oil. And there you have it, some quick, easy tips for using Ashen Thorn's hair oil.